This is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're going to look at our brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. This boat has the nice light gray colored hull, silver graphics, also nicely equipped with twin 300 Mercury Verado white outboard motors. Plenty of rod holders all around the boat. Rocket launchers on the hard top. Upgraded Yeti cooler. Nice large cockpit for fishing or whatever else you'd like to do. Large Ray Marine multifunction display screen, onboard VHF, vessel view, fusion stereo, power vent at the top of the window here, do have a head in the center cockpit, center cabin here. Very nice forward-facing seat. Lots of storage. You see two 5-gallon buckets in there. This also comes with the trolling seats on the side. Boat is also equipped with a windlass. If you have any questions about this boat or would like to see it in person, give us a call at our Huntington location here in New York.